Ready when you are.
Crispy Rick over there on invisible hand job.
I'm with you, you got it.
This was called like Monopoly money.
Oh, that's hard. That's the worst type of ball.
Nice.
Monopoly money.
Yeah. Yeah. Where's the next straw?
What?
Where's the next straw?
Ooh, that's crispy.
Keep waiting.
Oh, man.
Nice job, Patrick.
That's a sweet section.
Good job.
It's fucking adventure climbing from there, buddy.
I've been trying to get better at that. I'm just thinking about the before you flip. Because at the end of the day, like, you're going to take more flack out on the 5-foot. Yeah. Like, even though it always feels scarier, but like, almost always, when good bolters, they always seem to set up. Oh, nice. I love the bolt.
Good job.
That's sick. Oh, hey, shit, I didn't start climbing. Oh my god, I bit myself so hard I'm bleeding.
What did you bite? Your lip?
No, my knuckles.
Oh.
I went to bite the rope, and I bit myself, and I was like, ooh, that felt hard.
I don't think I've ever heard of anyone biting themselves while grabbing rope. Oh, there's way more than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, there's one more than 10. From the ground, I didn't see this one. And I didn't see another one. You only counted 9. I can't do math. I can't see from the ground. Ooh, no hands. I'll take it.
Ready, girl? You're moving.
You got this, buddy. Take a mini break, because I think it turns up. Done it. Oh yeah, this is just a polite reminder. Someone pulled a block off this route earlier. That's really cool. That's really cool. That's gonna break. Undercling. You're climbing in jeans?
Yeah. These aren't just jeans. These are Lee Extreme Motion. Yeah.
I'm gonna clip high. Roast me. Roast me in the comments for clipping high. Do it.
I'll do the work on Monday.
This thing is really cool. Clipping. Man, this thing is so sick. Hey, Patrick.
Oh, you got a no-hander.
Knee bar.
You got some no-hander.
It hurts. Ooh, that knee bar really helped.
Sit down? Yes, please. Whew. Whew. A hand jam?
In this economy?
Learn the crack climb, guys.
Which way are we going? We're going hard, right? Another knee bar. Check that out.
You ascending?
Maybe.
It's fun.
I think I want to go to the right. This is kind of tall. Let me see. That's a big move.
That's sick looking from here. It'll be fun.
Clip. Another knee bar. Clipping.